Today I'm going to be recording some sound effects and some video footage, and it's going to be a folk race. Here in Sweden we have something called Folkrace. I don't know if it's all around Scandinavia and even beyond that, but here in Sweden it's basically old cars that just empty them of all their contents, leaving a steering wheel and the seat, and then you have also a roll cage on them so as well. I think that's pretty much all the requirements there are. And you race them around the track, and after the race I believe you have to sell the car to there's a bidding, not a bidding process, because there's a fixed price. When I grew up it used to be 5,000 kroner, and I think nowadays it's a little bit more. It's because 30 years have gone by since I was a kid, so maybe it's 10,000 or something like that, I'm not sure, which would be equivalent to maybe somewhere between $500 and $1,000 or something like that. You have to sell the car for. And the point of that is that you don't want to be having someone pumping a lot of money into the car, making it like unbeatable basically, because you have more money. So it's a method to prevent people from having really crazy good cars. So if you're forced to sell it, then you're not willing to put so much money into them. It's just to level the playing field a little bit. Alright, so that's where I'm heading now. I'm going to record some video today and also some sound effects. I'm just bringing the Rode NTG3 today, the shotgun mic, and I'll get some mono sound effects, and I'll scout some locations because I plan to head back tomorrow as well and record some more, and then I'll be earlier there in the morning. Today I actually been there already. I brought my wife and 3 kids, and we spent about half an hour there. They got a little bit bored, so I'm going to be heading back now again to walk around a little bit on my own. I'll be able to focus on recording. Alright guys, I'm out here in the forest at the side of Högsta Folkrace track, and I've had a good couple of hours recording sound effects and video of some Folkrace cars here. Been a very dusty afternoon, and hopefully the footage will come to use, and even more so the sound effects that I record for the universal sound effects package that I've seen. If you haven't caught that before, make sure to check it out. You'll be able to find some there if you're making a shooter or a puzzle game, or maybe even a racing game or an arcade game, or whatever you're making. Should be some sound effects there for you at a very affordable price. I hope you're all having a good late summer here, and I'll speak to you all soon, and hope you enjoy this one. Take care everyone, bye for now.